In this video, we will be taking a look at hanging a single Soundscape Shapes panel directly to the ceiling and the wall. This will include parts, pieces, and the installation of a 4x4 panel. For more information on Soundscape Shapes or the installation, download the technical data guide or the installation instructions from our website. Soundscape Shape panels utilize attachment points along the metal extrusion on the back side of the panel. Location and the amount of hanging points differ for each panel size. For instance, a 4x4 panel will use 4 hanging points, one at each corner of the metal extrusion. 4x6 panels use 4 points that are located at the midpoint of each metal extrusion, and the 4x8 panel uses 6 points, one at each of the 4 corners, and 2 additional hangers at the midpoint on the long sides of the metal extrusions. See diagram in the installation instructions. For this installation, we will be installing a 4x4 circle with 4 hanging points directly to the ceiling deck. This part of the installation will utilize panel drywall clips and shoulder bolts from the drywall hanging kit, part number 5455. Make note that there are only 2 assemblies per kit, therefore you will need 2 kits to complete a 4x4 panel installation. You will need to hang the 4 panel drywall clips to the structure in a 2-foot square configuration. Panel drywall clips need to be located on the deck so that the ends of the clips with the detail that accepts bolt heads are arranged in a 2-foot by 2-foot square configuration to line up with the 4 corners of the metal extrusion no matter what the outside panel shape is. Ceiling panel components shall be stored horizontal in a dry interior location until ready for installation. Remove the Soundscape Shapes panel from the shipping container and place on a clean, flat surface lying face down. Remove the cardboard shipping insert from the back of the panel by uninstalling the 4 screws holding the panel in place. Screw the supplied shoulder bolts into the threaded holes at all 4 corners of the metal extrusion. Lift the panel to the deck carefully, lining up all 4 bolts with the open ends of the clips, and slide the panel so that the bolts enter the ends of the clips. The head of the bolt is captured within the end detail of the drywall clip, so the panel will not move. The installation of this Soundscape Shapes is now complete. Repeat the steps for additional panels if required. Wall installation will utilize wall brackets and shoulder bolts from a wall hanging kit, part number 5588. Make note there are 4 assemblies per kit, therefore you will only need 1 kit to complete a 4x4 panel installation. When installing panels directly to the wall, you will attach wall brackets to the wall using the appropriate fasteners supplied by installer. The wall brackets need to be located on the wall so that the ends of the clip with the detail that accepts the bolt heads are facing up and arranged in a 2-foot by 2-foot square configuration to line up with the 4 corners of the metal extrusion no matter what the outside panel shape is. Follow the previously viewed ceiling steps for preparing the panels for wall installation. Screw the shoulder bolts into the threaded holes at all 4 corners of the metal extrusion. Lift the panel to carefully line up all 4 bolts with the open ends of the clips and slide the panel so that the bolts enter into the ends of the clips. The head of the bolt is captured within the end detail of the wall bracket so the panel will not move. Installation of this Soundscape Shapes is now complete. Repeat the steps for additional panels if required. Thank you for taking a few minutes of your valuable time to watch this video. Visit us on the web at armstrong.com or contact your local Armstrong representative or regional installation specialist. See you next time.